One of the best ways to make passive income as an affiliate marketer is simply to promote digital products. The reason why digital products are such a good opportunity is because usually they're software as a service, they offer reoccurring, and it's usually something that someone needs, and so they're going to keep paying. The other cool part with digital products is they have both low ticket and high ticket offers that you can promote. In this video, I'm going to list the best digital products for you to promote in 2021. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, I'm Alston with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income with affiliate marketing, and today I want to help you. All right, so as I mentioned in this video, I'm going to list the best digital products to promote in 2021. I'm also going to give you a few tips on how to promote them and how you can get started today. Now, these are in no particular order, so try one or try a few and tell me which one works best for you. The second one I have on my screen here is with Legendary Marketer. Now, Legendary Marketer is an online marketing education course. This is great for anyone that is looking to learn about affiliate marketing and creating and selling digital products. In fact, they have 4 separate suites. They're called blueprints, where people can learn how to start and scale an online business. Now, the great thing as an affiliate, you'll not only learn how to get started with affiliate marketing and high ticket affiliate marketing, it has a low front end. So there is a 15-day course. The course is just $7, but then they have a high back end. They have even more valuable training where you as the affiliate can make $2,500 or more per commission per customer. The other great thing with Legendary Marketer is they do have a reoccurring program. The third thing that I like about Legendary Marketer is that you can promote a number of tools right within the platform. For example, you can promote a ClickFunnels. So you can add your ClickFunnels link, and if people click on the link and they get started with the free training, you can potentially earn a commission. There are other programs, there's Aweber, there's GetResponse, there's a number of things wrapped into Legendary Marketer, and so it is a very good opportunity if you are just getting started. After Legendary Marketer, we have Envato. Now, Envato I really like because they have a wide variety of digital products. They have everything from WordPress themes, which I've talked a little bit about on this channel. They have stock photos, graphic templates. If you, let's say you're a graphic designer or you're doing your own video editing and you want unique Premiere Pro themes, you can go and download and buy themes from Envato. Envato is also a good opportunity for affiliates because they can make 30% commission and there's a 90-day cookie window. So what I would do is I would create content around graphic design or video editing. Really anything video related is going to be a pretty good opportunity because, as you can see on the screen here, they have graphic templates, stock videos, stock photos, music tracks, web templates, and more. So if you're creating content either in the WordPress builder niche, or let's say you are the video editing niche, you can make pretty good money with Envato. After Envato, we have Liquid Web. Now, Liquid Web is a premium web hosting company. This is going to be more towards your medium-sized businesses and your enterprise businesses. But with this program, you can make up to $1,500 per sale. And again, the reason why is because it's premium. If we look at some of these web hosting packages here, you're going to see they basically do everything for you, but it does come with a cost. Now, if you are a large website, let's say you have let's say you're getting 1 million page views per month, you're going to want something premium like Liquid Web because you're making a lot of money. You're getting a ton of page views, and that means you are bringing in a pretty good amount of money. As you can see here, they do a lot of the stuff for you. If you've ever had a website, or even if you've looked at my website, I basically do everything on the website. With something like Liquid Web, they're taking care of all that for you. They're picking the perfect web hosting plan. They're actually making sure your website's up and running 24 hours a day. I've actually recently had an issue with my website where it was going down sometimes, but they're making sure that your theme is up to date, making sure that your plugins are up to date, making sure that you don't have any security issues. You want to target medium-sized businesses and enterprises or bloggers that are getting 1 million+ page views. That would make sense for Liquid Web. After Liquid Web, we have Elegant Themes. Now, this is a WordPress theme that people can buy and they can apply it right to their web hosting account. Let's say they have Bluehost. They can use something like the Divi theme or any of the other themes that are that are under elegant themes and make passive income. Now, there are tons of websites out there that use the Divi theme. You probably don't even realize that they are either WordPress themes or Divi themes, but this can be a good opportunity for you because they pay 50% reoccurring commission. Now, the way this works out is people will buy a web hosting package, and then they'll actually go out and get a WordPress theme on top of that. As you can see, people will buy these premium themes, which actually are a little bit more stable, they're a little bit faster, they have additional plugins that are included, and people will buy for $89 per year. You'll actually get paid 50% of that, so you're getting about $45 just for recommending this WordPress theme. Now, I can tell you that if people are satisfied with their WordPress theme, they probably won't change it, or if they'll change it to one of these other theme builders within Elegant Themes. So after Elegant Themes, we have a service called Crowdfire. Now, if you are looking to make money with social media, you're probably looking into an app that's going to do a lot of this for you. And Crowdfire is that app, or one of the many apps out there. As you can see, you can schedule and publish on different social media platforms. There is a free service, which is pretty limited. And then you can do something like the VIP, which has a lot more flexibility and it offers a lot more integrations. For you as the affiliate, you can make up to $420 per customer. One of the great things with Crowdfire and these other scheduling tools out there is you basically will just go in, spend an hour or two, set everything up beforehand, and then you can walk away. You can grow your social media presence without having to be on social media 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So that's why people will use something like Crowdfire. And if you're creating content on YouTube or even blogging, social media you could use as well, where you're telling people about the benefits of growing your business on Instagram, and then you're recommending a software like Crowdfire, you can make, again, up to $420 per customer, and it's a pretty good opportunity. It's lesser known than, let's say, Social Pilot and Hootsuite, but it still provides a pretty good opportunity. After Crowdfire, we have Longtail Pro. Now, Longtail Pro is designed to help you get ranked when you're blogging. If you're a blogger, you probably have one or two tools that you absolutely love, and a lot of bloggers love Longtail Pro. And as you can see here are some of the tools that they offer: keyword competitiveness, SERP analysis, rank tracker. The plans start at $46 per month, but you as the affiliate would make a commission of 30% reoccurring. And then if a blogger starts getting traction, they start seeing success, they're not going to switch their tools. I know from personal experience, you're just going to stay with what works because it's working. If I was trying to recommend this product or service, I would simply create blogs or YouTube videos talking about how to get your blog or YouTube channel ranked. If you're looking to compare this software to something else, I would look at SEMrush or even Ahrefs. Even though Ahrefs doesn't have an affiliate program, these are probably the three big ones in the marketplace. But look at Longtail Pro if you want to market to other bloggers and make 30% reoccurring income. After Longtail Pro, we have Shopify. Now, Shopify is most known to help people create e-commerce sites. Now, one thing that you'll probably realize is a lot of dropshippers and e-commerce gurus, they heavily recommend Shopify. And the reason being is that you can make 20% reoccurring or up to $2,000 per sale. So if you ever wonder why people are trying to get you to go with Shopify and dropshipping and build an e-commerce site, that's usually why. As you can see here, here's the Shopify pricing structure. You start off paying $29 per month, and if you start seeing success, you're naturally going to want to upgrade and get more features and pay $299 per month. They have a 2-week free trial. I know over the last year, they actually extended it out to 30 days, but Shopify can be a good opportunity if you're looking to create an e-commerce or dropshipping store and you don't know where to begin. If I were to market this, I would market it in kind of like the format that I'm doing now. I would talk about the best online businesses to start in 2021 and put my Shopify link. Now, I'm not an affiliate for Shopify, but if you are interested in promoting Shopify, you have to apply and qualify. I know that I was rejected from the Shopify affiliate program, so you make sure that you have some traffic going beforehand before applying. After Shopify, we have Samcart. Now, Samcart is one of those done-for-you solutions where you can come to the website and you can create landing pages and email marketing and sell your digital product. Think of it like ClickFunnels and Kartra and Builderall, where they have everything that you need in one place. As you can see on the screen here, over 17,000 businesses, 300,000 plus pages launched, 9.7 million products sold, and they've generated $1.8 billion. But it's really home. Again, it's very similar to ClickFunnels, where you can create a ton of different things fast, and it's designed for just about anyone. If you're an affiliate marketer, you could do email marketing through Samcart. If you are a coach, a consultant. But if we take a look at the pricing here, and Samcart will pay you 40% commission reoccurring. If you are just getting started, you would start off at about $49 per month, build monthly, and then as you scaling, you get more business, you would actually scale up to $199. But Samcart is a good opportunity, or can be a good opportunity, because it's lesser known. It's a good competitor to ClickFunnels, and it has a number of the features that ClickFunnels has. After Samcart, we have ActiveCampaign. Now, a lot of people like ActiveCampaign for the email marketing, but they do much more than that. As you can see here, there is a ton of features that are included with ActiveCampaign. I know that they have a free trial that you can get started. And the cool thing with ActiveCampaign in the free trial is you don't need to enter in a credit card. And so I know that's a huge sticking point for a lot of people, where they don't want to enter in their credit card and then they're automatically rebilled. With ActiveCampaign, they allow you to try it out without even entering in a credit card. If we take a look at some of the solutions here, as I mentioned, email marketing is a major part of it. That's how I became familiar with ActiveCampaign. But if we scroll down here, you can see broadcast emails, targeted emails. You can actually segment your emails. Let's say someone clicks on a link, you can have them go to a different email autoresponder. So there's a lot of opportunity and integration. And as I mentioned, you can receive up to 30% reoccurring. So if we take a look at these prices here, we'll go over to pricing. And you can see there is a huge opportunity to make some very good passive income. They start off at $9 per month, and then they go all the way up to $229. Now, just like I mentioned, if you're an affiliate marketer and you're finding success with ActiveCampaign, you're just going to stay with it because it's working for you. The only time people will switch up and stop using a software is if they feel like it's too expensive or it's not working for them, something breaks, and people will only think it's too expensive if they're no longer making money from it. So as long as your customers make money, they'll stay with ActiveCampaign or whatever software that you promote. One thing that you can do to help reduce the churn rate or the rate of people that are canceling their membership is to offer training. So if someone signs up with you, send them an email and say, hey, look, I do monthly training for free that will address some common concerns and problems that people may have when it comes to ActiveCampaign. You do that, you show that you care about your customer, they're going to tend to stay with you a little bit longer. But ActiveCampaign is another good opportunity. After ActiveCampaign, we have Builderall. I've talked a lot about Builderall over the last few weeks, but it's because I like what they're doing from an affiliate marketing standpoint. They will offer you a 100% commission for the first full month that someone pays, and then after that, you can make 30% reoccurring. And then on top of that, if your affiliates bring in affiliates, so if your customers bring in customers, you can earn a 30% commission off of that. And so essentially you can make very passive income if you bring in 45 committed affiliates to help you grow their business and your business. Now, what I recommend again is that you create free training to help people grow and scale. In addition to just the affiliate component of Builderall, it's an all-in-one solution. You can build websites, you can send out emails, you can create products, offer membership courses. There's just a ton of tools that are included with Builderall, and you can start at $29 per month and then move up to $99. But Builderall, I think, is a very good opportunity. After Builderall, we have GetResponse. Now, I like, use, and recommend GetResponse for email marketing. It's 100% free to start. They have a free trial. Again, you don't need to enter in your credit card. You have a 30-day free trial, but it's really easy to use. Now, I like GetResponse because of the visual automation builder. Some people call it autoresponder, but I call it automation, and you can get that set up pretty quickly. It's real easy and it's relatively inexpensive when you're comparing it to some of those automation softwares out there. If we take a look at the pricing, you can see here, it is not terribly expensive to get up and running. It starts at $15 per month, and then it goes on up depending on how much success that you have. And again, as I mentioned, if an affiliate, if anyone's having success with their software, they're not going to switch it. And you can market GetResponse and review videos. You can do comparison videos, GetResponse versus ClickFunnels and ActiveCampaign. You can teach people email marketing and then put your GetResponse affiliate link in the description and then add your call to action. Get started with GetResponse today. People will sign up. And again, if you're teaching someone a skill, they're going to stay with you and they're going to stay with the program as long as nothing breaks and they find the success that they're looking for. So after GetResponse, which again, I think is a very good opportunity, they pay a 30% reoccurring commission. is Pure VPN. Now, Pure VPN or VPNs in general will help mask where you are. So let's say you want to be a little bit more secure, you don't want people to know where you are, you would turn on a VPN and you can again hide where you are. The cool thing with Pure VPN is that they offer up to 35% reoccurring commission. So if we click here, as you can see here, they have a 7-day free trial, and then it's just $10.95 per month. Now, while that's not a huge amount of money, that is a good opportunity for a lot of people that want to stay hidden. They're worried about privacy, they're worried about security, and so you can offer Pure VPN as almost like an add-on. What you could do is you could package Pure VPN with web hosting. Let's say you're talking about Bluehost or creating WordPress websites. You could say, hey, stay secure with Pure VPN, and you could potentially make 30% reoccurring commission when people enroll in the VPN package. So after Pure VPN, we have Kartra. Now, Kartra is yet another all-in-one solution like ClickFunnels, like Samcart, like Builderall, where you can create and sell just about anything. It's good for email marketing, membership sites. They have templates and funnels. You can actually create your own affiliate network on Kartra. So there's a ton of opportunity. As you can see here, you can do a ton of stuff. You can run membership sites, you can create courses, you can do mentorships, you can do checkouts right through Kartra. And if you'll notice, a lot of marketers are using Kartra. They switched off of ClickFunnels and they're going to Kartra, but it is a good opportunity because you can receive up to 40% reoccurring. And if we take a look at the pricing here, you can see it is not an inexpensive product, but they do have a $1 14-day trial. After the 14-day trial, it does go up to, as you can see, it starts at $99 per month and it goes up to $4.99 depending on the level of service that you sign up. So 40% of almost $100 per month, you're looking at about $35 reoccurring for anyone that you sign up with the starter package. But as you can see, as people start to get more leads and they start to find more success, they're going to need to reinvest into a higher package, and you can make passive income, even more income, just by referring people 1 or 2 times to the $1 program. So if I exit here, as you can see, they have a 14-day trial for $1, which I think is pretty smart as opposed to offering a free 2-week trial. After Kartra, we have ZenWP. Now, ZenWP, again, is one that I wasn't too familiar with. In my research, I found this to be a pretty good opportunity. The reason why I like ZenWP is they offer 8% lifetime commission, and you can earn a $3,000 bonus for every 100th customer that you bring in. And what ZenWP does is they basically manage your WordPress website for you. They're not a web hosting company per se. What they'll do is they'll address any issues that you might have with your WordPress site. If you want a custom WordPress site, they'll actually work with you doing that. So if we jump over here, when we take a look at the pricing, you can see it starts off $79 per month and it goes up to $269 per month. But if you look, they have unlimited HTTP, CSS, and PHP jobs. Now, those are coding languages for your WordPress website, and they'll take care of all of it for you. What you do is you just reach out to them, tell them what your needs are, and they'll actually work with you. So there is a ton of opportunity with something like this. Now, again, if you are talking about building websites, you're talking about web hosting, things that if you're starting an online business, you can recommend ZenWP and you can get in front of targeted buyers. So now that you know the best digital products to promote as an affiliate, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click that first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next to learn more tips and tricks to make money online with affiliate marketing. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online with affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.